that is socially just remains a challenge. She says immigrants are blamed for social strife, particularly during times of economic difficulties, as can be seen in Europe, the United States and on home soil.
In this African continent, we are told that the wealth of this continent, or half of the wealth of this continent, belongs to the richest 3 people. And the rest of the half of the wealth of this continent must be shared by the rest. But even then, the bulk of that is shared by only 10% of the people in this continent, and the rest have to jostle for resources.
The South African courts, however, have, on numerous occasions, stepped up, but rulings in court are, according to experts, not always echoed by society as a whole.
That ultimately the law as the dominant social engineer will take care of everything does not only instill a deceitful sense of security into the minds of officials, but also leaves the false impression that personal or moral responsibility is redundant.
The Department of Home Affairs is at the forefront of immigration matters. It said, among others, that South Africa remains the most attractive destination for asylum seekers, but the country has its own challenges. It says it's not surprising that immigration has become part of the political space, as immigrants are usually the first victims when the economy is not doing well.
Has been responding to this challenge, but we are far from resolving the problem. Platforms like this, where experts they meet to discuss issues of migration, social justice, they are very important for the country as a whole.
The outcomes of the expert roundtable discussion will include a submission of a policy brief to Parliament and a research paper. Mariska Botha, SABC News, Cape Town.